you are still taking trades by manually staring at the charts, then you are not trading the market, you are chasing it. This software is not just another indicator. This is complete decision making system. Today I'm not going to teach you a strategy. Today I'm going to show you how professional actually trade. Watch the screen carefully because every missed detail here is a missed opportunity. What you see on the screen is my strategy based trading software. It does not predict the market, it reacts to the market, fast discipline and without emotion. The purpose of this software is simple: right trade, right time, controlled risk. No over trading, no guesswork, not emotional decision. So I am going to right now dive into the first strategy, which we call as a zonal signal strategy. What you do in the zonal signal strategy, you have two charts. One is of any future chart and other is of the option chart. In future chart, you can select any chart. So what you need to see in the future chart, very simple. We observe only dots, green dot to red dot to green dot. So whenever the position turns from green dot to red dot, we initiate a put trade. Whenever the position turns from red dot to green dot, we initiate a call trade. So what you need to do at the time when the green dot to red dot happens in the future chart, you will be going to the option chart and taking a trade of at the money or near the strike option. You will hold this chart till the time the price doesn't close below the orange line. So if I get a trade here, I will be holding till the time the price doesn't come below orange line. As a safety, we have added one more line, that is gray line, which you can see here. So till the time the price doesn't closes below gray line, we will hold on to the trade. Now if now from red dot to we get green dot to red dot, again we will take here a put trade and hold till the time the price doesn't closes above the gray line. So this is how the system work. The moment we get a red dot, we enter in a put trade. So here you see my put trade. I will go to the Adani Green chart, I will go to the option chart, I will open the chain, and at that point where I get a trade, I will buy a put of that strike. So here in this case the put was bought around 10, it goes to 100. So remember, open a chart in future, see red to green dot, green to red dot. For buying a call, red to green dot. For buying a put, green dot to red dot. After that, take at the money near OTM or near ITM option. Yellow dot, if you want a very short profit, yellow dot act as a target which comes in 1 or 2 days, and orange line is a trailing stop loss. Above that you can keep a gray line as a stop loss. So very simple, very effective method. And don't apply this method at a one instant. You will say, okay, green dot came and the stop loss hit. Yes, stop loss are going to get trigger, but you need to see the bigger picture. So whenever from red dot you get 5-6 days trades there where you make profit. So you can see any chart. This is Syngene. Here the option came from green dot to red dot here, and I hold for 5 days. The option has become again 10 times. Adani Port, same thing. I got a red dot here below that green dot. Before that, when green dot to red dot come, I got a very big trade. And sometime you will find behind कि when the market turns from red dot to green dot, again you get a big trade. So you just need to follow the dot system and take a trade. The next method is for the intraday index option player. We know there is a huge movement in the index options. So this method is only designed for intraday, only for 3-minute charts and only for index option. Sensex options, Bank Nifty option, Nifty option. You need to apply two charts, one of the call and one of the put. Whenever a green dot will appear on any chart, that time you are supposed to take a trade. Don't judge anything where the market is moving. Only these two charts are sufficient. No need to see index chart, no need to see spot chart, nothing. Just apply it on index option. This method has to be applied on in the money options. So here you will see when you will hover around this green arrow, you will get everything: entry, stop loss and target. And for all the green arrow, you will find entry, stop loss and target is written here, so you can follow. So again, the rule of this method is don't see a single instance. See, here the stop loss is trigger, here the stop loss is trigger. So whenever you are following this system, follow it for 5 days. Each and everything is written on the chart. No manual decision, nothing. So you will get a trade here, you will get entry, you will get stop loss. If you are getting consecutive 2 trades, you need to make sure if the first trade is active, don't take the second trade. So maximum 4 to 5 trades in a day for option lovers, and it will be either in the call or either in the put. It rarely happens one side only momentum is there, so if it is giving put side momentum, it won't give in call. If call side, then won't give in put. So this you apply on index. I am showing you right now for Nifty, and this is now Nifty chart. So you see here, not a single trade came in call side. Here only the trades were in put side and all targets were achieved. Similarly, we will see for Bank Nifty, and so here also not a single trade in call side, only put side trades were there, and 1, 2, 3 target achieved, 2 stop loss got trigger. Stop losses are very small. You can trail with the dark brown line. The next method is for the people those who want to trade in option strategy. They want to create a strategy which lasts for 1 day to 5 days or more than that. So for that, what you need to do, you need to take any spot or future chart, apply this strategy, positional option strategy. Here in this strategy, we have color coded the system. The background color can be red, background color can be green and white. So whenever you get a green color and arrow, entry, stop loss and target will be mentioned here. So you can design a strategy or bullish strategy like ratio spread or ladder or any strategy which has a bullish momentum. You need to make sure कि you can enter, keep a target and stop loss, or if the color changes, that is your final outcome. So this method is very good for the people those who want to do option selling strategy, and or for the people those who want to create strategies in option. 100% this method can be used for other format also, like positional future trading, but we have some other methods for them. So any chart you take, any index chart or FNO chart, just see the color of the chart and take a trade. Like here the red color, here the green color, here the red color. So it is going on for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. So this is how this positional strategy has to be implemented. So now this is the strategy which is called as swing strategy, specially designed for the people who are looking for 15 to 20 days trade. Here you have the option whether you want to take only buy side or only sell side. So if only buy side, only buy signal will come, only sell side, only sell signal will come, and if you will create both the side signal will come. So what is the, whenever you get a green arrow, you will get entry, stop loss, target. You can trail with the brown line and take a trade, or whenever the target is achieved, book the profit. It's as simple as that. Color coding system, simple trailing stop loss the line, and entry on the green arrow, long entry, short entry on the red arrow. That's it. And if the first trade is active and you are in the trade and you are getting second arrow signal, don't take that trade, just hold on with the first profit. Now there are multiple ways out. Say for example, you have taken a trade here, you have taken a trade here, you get a profit, exit. Okay, you have taken a trade here, again after exiting, if you want again to enter, you can enter after crossing the green line, but that is a bit a risky affair. But those who want multiple trades, they can do that. Otherwise, just take a trade when the arrow comes. So this is a swing arrow technique what we have applied. So next strategy is for the people those who are looking for the trade for 1 year to 2 year horizon. Very simple strategy. This strategy is only applied on weekly chart. What you need to do, whenever the market goes below the red line, you are supposed to think of taking a trade. So after hitting a price below red line, whenever it goes above the red line, and whenever the blue diamond comes, that is the point you are supposed to take the entry stop loss target will be written here, and you can keep trailing with the stop loss of red line. Here it may happen at the start one or two stop loss will trigger, but if the market takes the momentum, you will find, and if you keep on trailing, you will find such a stocks become multi-bagger. Just keep on carrying. So for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, this is the method for the people those who want multi-years return. But don't be greedy. Don't try to book the profit. Just keep on trailing with the orange line. If your targets can multiply 300 times, 200 times, you may think of selling. So this is a multi-year strategy method for the people those who are looking to take a trade. Now we will see some strategy for crude, for commodity market. So this is a very good strategy designed for commodity market. It works from 5 minutes to 15 minutes or 5 minutes to 1 hour, and it's a positional method strategy. What you need to do, again, only see when the green dot comes. Be only in the buy side trade if the green dot comes. Be only in the sell side trade when the red dot comes. It's as easy as that. Multiple entries if you want to take. After a green dot, there will be multiple small arrows which will tell you, okay boss, at station number 2, station number 3, station number 4, you can take an entry. Every entry will have a stop loss, entry and target. This is how this method works. It's a very beautiful method for the people those who want from intraday to positional, and they want to work especially in the commodity market. So for example, here you can see crude. When it was red dot, you will see 3 to 4 days to red dot entry is there. When it is green dot, 3 to 4 days green dot entry is there. Again, when in red dot, sell side entry is there. Green dot, 5 to 6 days green entry is there. So very particularly defined method for the people those who want to take a positional view on the commodity market. Next we will see the method which is for intraday for commodity market. So method name is scalping method. This method is applied on 5 minutes or 3 minute chart. Here you will get the triangles where everything is written: entry, stop loss, target. You can trail for a sell with the green line, for a buy with a brown line, so that your stop losses becomes very easy. 5 to 6 trades you will get in a day. And what is the importance? If the stop loss is hit, they are very small. If the target is hit, they are very high. So small stop loss, big target method, everything is written on the chart. Self-explanatory: entry, stop loss, target, trailing stop loss. So here you will see entry is there, target is there, green dot, entry, stop loss, target, red dot, entry, stop loss, target, green dot, entry, stop loss, target. You can use these lines above target, above R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3 as also a target and support levels. So in the vast market where the information is keep on changing, this market generates automatically signals, and you can take a trade decision for commodity, for equity, even for forex, and even for crypto. So we have seen, as soon as the market opens, the software automatically scan the eligible instrument. You do not need to open 100 or 200 chart. The system filters the market for you. Your job is not to search. Your job is to execute. All these signals we are giving even on the Telegram signal. Automatically, whenever some signal is generated, gold signal is generated, it will go into the gold group. Crude signal generated, crude group. Option signal is generated in the option market. Index signal is generated in the index market. Every entry you see on the chart appears only when all preconditions are met. There are no partial signal, no confusion. When the signal turns green, it means probability is on your side. Now watch this carefully. The moment an entry is generated, the stop loss and targets are defined automatically. The system does not ask you for the permission. It enforces discipline. Risk management here is not optional. Here it is mandatory. Once the trade is active, the software continuously monitors the market behavior. If the market move against the position, exit is the fast and control. If the market move is in your favor, profits are allowed to run the logically. No panic, no hope-based trading. This strategy work across multiple market as shown: indices, stocks, commodity, forex, crypto. The logic remains consistent, only market behavior change. This is not a one market or one setup system. Why the software is different? This software is not designed for traders who keep jumping between the indicator. It is designed for the traders who want consistently control drawdown, process driven execution. Luck has no role here, only structure and discipline will prevail. So, ask yourself one simple question. If your entry, exit, and risk are already predefined, what exactly are you afraid of? The market pays every single day, but it only pays those who follow a system. If you are ready to stop guessing and start trading professionally, this software was built for you. The choice is simple, either choose manual chaos or a systematic control. You don't beat the market, you survive it with discipline.